been dreaming of, and now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no far from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through, thanks to you.
July, Conrad. Happy birthday! Celebrate ka ng birthday mo ng masaya. Sabi daw sa Bible, you celebrate your physical birthday and also spiritual birthday because God give you this beautiful day for you. Sana masayahin ka at magtulungan kayo ni Mika sa inyong mga problema. Kasi sabi sa Bible, in this world, we shall have a tribulation. Yes. Have a good cheer. And have a good courage and good cheer to overcome the problem. So, I'm not to say, just to greet you. Happy birthday, and God will bless you and give you many more birthday. Sana bigyan kayo ng ni Lord ng good health at maayos na pag-isip dahil sandali na lang nandiyan ako. So, celebrate your birthday. Enjoy your birthday and God bless you.
Hi! Happy birthday to you, Ginger! May all your wishes come true and I hope to see you soon. I miss you.
Hello, Kia. Hi, Mika. Happy birthday. Wishing you more. I wish I was there with you to celebrate your birthday. Our birthday together. Salamat and bye.
Happy birthday! Hi, Mika. I miss you. So much.
Yeah, but
Justice.
I wish you'd come to the Philippines. Wala. I'll see you soon, Kia. See you in July. Love both of you. Have a happy birthday.
Pare, happy birthday! Kumusta na kayo dyan?
Hi! Happy birthday, Conrad!
Namimiss ka na daw ng disyerto ah. Kailan pa daw kayo babalik? Pre, ingat na lang kayo dyan. Happy birthday! Pre, happy 21st birthday ah.
Happy birthday!
Kita na lang tayo sa Pinas pag umuwi kami. Text na lang namin kayo. Text na lang tayo pare. Kita-kita na lang tayo sa may inok.
Nahihiya kayo sa Alvin, hindi daw marunong. Siya naman salita.
Pre, para sa'yo. Birthday mo eh.
Bye!
Sige
Happy
na.
birthday ulit.
Bye-bye.